Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's Foxy, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I do this Hazel green eyes makeup. I am wearing green lenses right now, and I just decided that I want to show you some makeup for green eyes. This is super easy to recreate, and yeah, it's so beautiful. Let's get into it. So first of all, I'm gonna be clipping my hair as always. I'm gonna be starting with the eyes today. I want to make them pretty intense today, and since I want to do it pretty fast, I'm gonna be using this amazing under eye patches. Those are special patches that you use for a makeup. And let's get started. I'm not gonna do anything with my eyebrows today. I'm gonna be using P. Louise eye base. This one in the shade Keeping It Hockey. I just squeeze it on the palette and I'm applying it with a flat brush. I put it all over my eyelid and now I'm gonna blend it. I truly love those P. Louise eye bases because I literally did nothing right now and I already blended the base. I repeat the process on the right eye. To be honest, I almost don't see anything in my mirror right now because the lights here are pretty blinding, and I really hope I don't mess it up because you know when you don't see anything, it's pretty hard to do your makeup, but I'm trying my best. And as I already mentioned, I want this makeup to be pretty fast, so this is why we're using these patches. And actually, if you're a beginner in makeup, you can get those and the makeup process gets really super easy. And if you want a beautiful makeup for some kind of event or holiday or just a night out or date, you can just get those. They all save your time. I will use Timeless Treasures P. Louise palette. I'm gonna be using shade Treasures. Just put it on the crease. Now I take the shade Invaluable, the same fluffy brush. And I just slightly dust it to make this transition between my natural skin and the eyeshadows as seamless as it can get. Now I will use Crystal Wave palette from Makeup Obsession. I'm going to apply this Spirit shade. And then I'm going in with NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade 604 Milk. I want to add it to the inner corner of my eye. I blend it into my colors. And now I take the Crystal Waves palette again and I'm gonna add Glisten shade. Then I take shade Spirit again and I kind of add it right on the tail of this Glisten color to create the gradient, like so. Now I'm gonna be using Wonder Skin Longwear Eyeliner in the shade Kalamata. I use it for tie lining. It's waterproof liner. Now I am blending it. Part of Me and Beyond Measure shades. Now I am going in with Queen Cosmetics eyeshadow. Such a beautiful shade, and I will apply it with my finger because this is the best way to apply this kind of eyeshadows. I'm applying it basically right above my iris, right in the center, like this, and then I blend it into other colors. I don't touch the center of this eyeshadow, I only blend the corners, and this is what we get from it. This is such a beautiful shade. Now I'm gonna remove the patches. For my face, I'm gonna be using Yves Saint Laurent primer. It's 2 Shade Cloud Blur primer. It has little golden sparkles to it. I love to use this primer for matte blurring finish. For the foundation, I'm using Tinted Serum Foundation from Catrice. You need to shake it before you use, as it says on the packaging. And I have it in the shade 004N. I am putting it right on the palette, like this. I still didn't finish the eye makeup, but that's because I want to finish my face. And then I'm going to finish my bottom lid and the lashes. When there's almost nothing left on my brush, I add the foundation that was left on the brush to my nose. If you have any cakiness around your nose or on your nose when you apply foundation, you can try this method. And basically, in a lot of cases, cakiness on the nose and around the nose appears just because of a lot of product, like of excessive product. I mean, the shade match, it is crazy. So basically, in the end, when I almost don't have any foundation left, I just add more product onto the places where I feel like I want some more. And this is my favorite method. Now I'm going in with Made by Mitchell liquid blusher in a shade Hollow There. I'm using the same brush that I was applying foundation with. Rare Beauty blush in a shade Bliss. And only now, after these steps, I'm applying the concealer under my eyes. I'm going to be using Pro Conceal from LA Girl in a shade Vanilla. Now I'm going in with Nova Lasting Color in a shade 04. This is a highlighter. This is a liquid highlighter. I love this one because just to look how gorgeous the shine looks. Now I'm going to set my makeup with Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. And then I'm going in with Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. It's setting powder. Now let's add Mars Melter Blush from Kaleidos. It's like blush slash highlighter because it does have some sparkles to it. Now I'm going to be using I Heart Revolution Elf Highlighter. Be completely honest with you, I've never tried this highlighter before. This is so pretty. And I can tell that this is super pigmented. I love Revolution products for this. Like Revolution Pro, Makeup Revolution, I Heart Revolution, all of them add the finishing touches to my bottom lid. I'm going to add Forever Ever shade on my lash line. Now let's add the Queen Cosmetics eyeshadow to the center right under my iris. Now I'm gonna take the Treasures shade, blend the corners together. Now I'm going to add Elf highlighter on the inner corner of my bottom lid. And basically that's it with the eyeshadows. I want to add some mascara and false lashes. For the lash primer, I'm going to be using All Day Fixing Mascara Base from the brand Milk Touch. This is a Korean brand. I'm going in with Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. So mascara is done and let's add some false lashes. I'm going to be using classic false lashes. Always let your glue to get tacky. So eyelashes are done, both natural and fake. So let's move to the lips, I guess. I am going to use Wonder Skin 360 Contour Liner in a shade Blush. This is such a beautiful natural shade. It's like your lips but better. in the center, on the top of the lip liner, I'm gonna be using Cha-Cha Tint from Benefit. And as a finishing touch to my lips, I'm gonna be adding P. Louise lipstick in the shade Always Yours. Just a beautiful nude peachy shade. I really love it so much. So basically this is it for today. This is my Hazel green eyes makeup and I really love how it turned out, and yeah, this is super easy to recreate. You as always have a wonderful one and take care of yourself, and see you later. With love, your Foxy.